What up, guys? Ryan here. Today we're going to talk about my best month of all of 2017. It was my 7th month of the passive income journey, and I absolutely crushed it in October. So starting with FBA, my profit month over month was almost 8x higher. Amazon merch profits were almost 4x higher. And dropship print on demand, same story that you're used to hearing. It's still kind of figuring it out, but let's get into the numbers. So Amazon FBA, as I mentioned, did almost 8x more profit in October than it did in September. This was spearheaded by 2 of those 3 new SKUs I launched in September, bringing in really good profits. One of them brought in a little over $600. The other one brought in over $500 profit. And again, I'm still heavily advertising them because they are in a competitive niche, and I need to rank them as high as possible organically. Ideally, they're going to be ranked 1, right? Rank 1 and 2, which, funny story, I'm recording this in 2019. I have had them ranked 1 and 2 at the same time. That's a little foreshadowing of the future though. Anyways, they were crushing it for me, and I launched a 5th FBA SKU this month. A little bit of a seasonal, capitalize on a trend here. And even though it was brand new, it brought in just under $200 of profit. So again, I'll take that too. Ultimately, it rolled up into the numbers you see here on my Fetcher report. We did $6,890 of revenue, $1,500 of profit at a 22% margin. It was a great month. You could say I hit a home run with Amazon merch in October of 2017. That's because I had a shirt go absolutely viral and it was baseball themed. I keep a TV mounted above my computer monitors, and a lot of times I'll just mute it and watch sports. One day I saw Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees wearing this thumbs down t-shirt. Again, it didn't have any Yankee logos, no trademark stuff. I learned my lesson from a few months back about doing anything protected. It was just a hand with a thumbs down and some pinstripes. And I thought to myself, I should throw that up on a t-shirt just in case people buy it. This was right before the Yankees went on a little bit of a playoff run. And every time the Yankees would win a playoff game in MLB, Major League Baseball, shirt sales would just go crazy. So without going too in depth about exactly what strategy I used to rank this shirt to allow it to absolutely crush, you can see here from the numbers that it went absolutely crazy, and it ultimately brought in the majority of the $4,622 royalty that I received in the month of October in 2017. Just as a reminder to anybody watching this in 2019, Amazon has adjusted royalties in January of 2018 as well as January of 2019 to where we don't get paid out the same royalty that I was getting paid out in 2017. At this moment in time, when I sold a shirt for $19.99, I was getting a $7.19 royalty paid out on that. So that helped me make, on one day, I made over $700 of royalties off Amazon merch in one day. So yeah, it helped that the royalties were higher back then. Today, if I sell a $19.99 shirt in 2019, I get $5.23. So it does make a big difference. You can see the average royalty from this month was $5.75, which would be almost unattainable probably today in 2019, given that you'd have to be selling shirts for over $20 on average. But if you guys are wondering, this dashboard that I have a picture of here is from Pretty Merch. So you can get some in-depth Amazon merch sales analytics via Pretty Merch. Also, Pretty Merch Pro is actually what's required, I think, to view this specific dashboard. But you can see here my best-selling shirt, 319 sales, generating $2,100 in royalties. You can probably bet that the number 2, number 3, and number 4 were variants of that same design that I had multi-uploaded. Ultimately, altogether, this was a great month. Almost $15,000 of royalties generated on Amazon merch, over 800 sales. It was just amazing. It really made me feel like my hard work was paying off, and it was just a great experience. So my dropshipped print-on-demand numbers actually matched the previous month exactly. I had 4 FBM sales and 1 eBay sale. The big thing was my new upload strategy that I mentioned in September was working. I was posting over 50 products a day to Amazon as fulfilled by merchant via the Gear Bubble integration, and anytime they sold, it was just completely hands-off. I didn't have to do anything. Gear Bubble downloads the sales via API, fulfills the orders, and I keep the difference in what I pay Gear Bubble and what I collected from the customer. So the potential was there. I was really gearing up for Q4, the big November, December holiday season sales spike. So the total numbers for the 7th month of my passive income journey came to over $6,400 of profit, which if you could do that consistently every month, you're doing pretty damn well. Again, Amazon FBA almost 8x profit month over month. Amazon merch almost 4x profit. It was just great. And while merch was probably going to be a little bit harder to sustain because of the really hot trending shirt, Amazon FBA was really just getting started. I didn't have any of those products ranked organically very high. So the potential was really most likely going to shift to FBA leading the profits sooner than later, just given the potential there. So that just about wraps up the recap of the biggest month I had in 2017. I'm definitely going to make some videos going more in depth about how I did so well in Amazon merch and some of my key takeaways, including how I made over $700 royalties in a single day. For now, if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go. Flying over cities down to Rio, it's Rio. Love that I feel, oh nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.